I've created this video to demonstrate the features and capabilities of USB cameras when used on a PC computer. These cameras are readily available for purchase on Amazon for less than $20 by all individuals. They allow visualization in areas that are otherwise difficult to see, such as the ear, nose, and throat, and allow creation of files. You can examine yourself or others, and allows detail that really surpasses what's being used by most physicians today. Part of the value is facilitating telemedicine by sharing files between medical professionals or between patients and medical professionals. Here are some of the locations where this can be useful, and the prospects for this technology are very exciting. So let's get into it.
These are examples of USB cameras available on Amazon for less than $20. The tip is 5.5 millimeters in diameter and has 6 LED lights. There's a 1.3 megapixel camera that has a fixed focal length with a typical depth of field of 12 to 22 millimeters. There's a 2-meter long cable, at the end of which is a USB connection, also a micro USB, and a Type-C for Android devices. For our purposes, we'll be using the USB connection. There's also an inline rheostat that lets you vary the light intensity. For ear exams, I typically use this at full light intensity. I've made a mark on top of the camera with a paint pen that helps in orienting the image on the screen. In performing ear exams, I typically use a Welch Allen 4.25 millimeter tip, and in doing this, the device does not come in contact with the patient's skin.
In order to have the images display on the computer screen, there has to be software that allows that. This is the best I've found. If someone has something better, I'd be interested in hearing that in the comments section. Here's the website of Oasis Scientific. If we scroll down to this oasis.exe, click on the download file. As they describe here, they've been using this since 2008 and it's been shown to be virus-free. The camera has to be recognized by the computer. That's done in this fashion. There's the sound. And then we'll go to the desktop and open the icon that lets us start viewing images. There's the Oasis icon. Click on that. Click Run. And now we have an image. We can maximize that to fill the screen of the 17-inch monitor. I now want to take you through the menu bar. These will be hard to see later. So we can set the video folder. This fashion, it could be renamed. We can close that. And then we'll set the photo folder. In this case, we'll select the photo folder here. OK. This shows the device that's connected. Under Options, Capture allows you to record. Preview allows better video play. So for live images, preview is better. Go back to Capture. We can do video capture. Click on Start Capture. We have to have a file. Open that. Click OK there. And now click OK. We actually start recording video at this point. We can stop the capture by clicking there, and that video segment will be recorded to the folder. Click on Snap, Capture, and we have a still image recorded to the folder. Now, using this in examination, these are the tonsillar pillars, soft palate, uvula. This is a level of detail that's really not seen with the usual technologies that are used on examinations today. Anything from this point forward could be visualized with this equipment: the tongue, floor of mouth, cheeks, inner aspect of the lips. Now we're looking at a right nostril. Septum is to the right, inferior turbinate to the left. This is a very comfortable exam if you're not poking the septum with the tip of the speculum. And then we see the middle turbinate above. We're now looking in a right ear. This is 50 power magnification on a 17-inch monitor. And now we'll start creating files. So we need it in capture mode. Start capture with the video. This folder. Click OK. Now the actual video recording starts. We can then stop the video recording, stop capture. That video segment will be recorded to the folder. To get a still image, we click Capture under Snap, and that'll record the photo to the photo file. And then close that. We can open the file, displaying the video. We look at the video. It actually starts playing as soon as you click on it. We can magnify, maximize there. Close that file. Close that folder. Go to the photo folder. Look at the photo we captured. Close that file. Close that folder. And we can then go back to live imaging by clicking on the icon here. Once the files have been created, they can be stored or shared within the limits of HIPAA and patient confidentiality. The camera should be cleaned between patients with antiseptic wipes, but it's not waterproof and it should not be immersed in liquid. As depicted, the USB camera enhances examinations and facilitates education, communication between patients and medical professionals and between medical professionals, and also enhances the ability to do documentation. It's exciting and innovative technology.